Are you a car lover looking to upgrade your driving experience? Today, we are sharing 5 innovative car gadgets that can make your life easier, safer, and more fun on the road. Stick around because each one offers something unique you won't want to miss. Number 1. The Snap&GO 10-in-1 Bluetooth speaker. This compact speaker is more than just a Bluetooth device, it's a 10-in-1 multifunctional gadget. It offers high-quality wireless audio with easy Bluetooth pairing. The standout feature is its magnetic back and hangable design, allowing you to attach it to metal surfaces or hang it anywhere, perfect for your car, garage, or outdoor adventures. It's also water-resistant, making it rugged enough for all weather conditions. Plus, it has a built-in microphone for hands-free calls, a rechargeable battery for hours of playback, and an LED indicator for battery status. Whether you want music, hands-free calls, or a versatile speaker you can place anywhere, Snap&GO delivers. Number 2. Dart Solar's Portable Solar Solutions. Dart Solar specializes in portable solar panels and chargers designed for on-the-go power. Their products feature high-efficiency solar cells that convert sunlight into energy quickly, perfect for charging phones, tablets, or even car batteries. The panels are lightweight, foldable, and durable, with waterproof and dustproof ratings for outdoor use. Many models include USB ports and DC outputs for versatile charging options. Ideal for camping, emergency kits, or off-grid travel, Dart Solar's gear ensures you stay powered without relying on traditional electricity. Number 3. The QROV Dashcam Core Ultra 4G. This dashcam takes vehicle safety to the next level with 4G LTE connectivity. This means you can stream live video remotely, receive real-time alerts if your car is bumped or tampered with, and automatically upload footage to the cloud for secure storage. It records in high-definition 1080p or higher, capturing clear details day and night thanks to its infrared night vision. The dashcam also includes GPS tracking to log your routes and speed, and a wide-angle lens to cover multiple lanes. With loop recording, G-sensor crash detection, and easy mobile app integration, this dashcam is perfect for peace of mind on the road. Number 4. The CARO Stand and Table. This versatile accessory transforms your car interior into a mobile office or dining area. It features a sturdy, adjustable tabletop that fits most car seats and consoles, providing a stable surface for laptops, tablets, meals, or paperwork. The stand is lightweight and foldable, making it easy to carry and store. It includes anti-slip pads to keep your devices secure while driving or parked. Whether you need to work remotely, eat comfortably, or entertain kids on long trips, CARO offers a practical and ergonomic solution to make your car time productive and relaxing. Number 5. Autolift Productions Automotive Lifting Solutions. They offer professional-grade portable car lifts and jacks designed for both DIY enthusiasts and mechanics. Their products feature heavy-duty steel construction for maximum safety and durability. The lifts are compact and easy to transport, perfect for home garages or mobile mechanics. Many models include hydraulic lifting systems for smooth, effortless raising of vehicles. Safety locks and wide platforms ensure stability while working under the car. Whether you're changing tires, performing maintenance, or restoring a vehicle, Autolift's equipment provides reliable support to get the job done safely and efficiently. Those were 5 innovative car products packed with features to make your driving and maintenance experience way better. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please do us a favor. Hit that like button, share it with your friends who love car gadgets, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and cool car tech. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive safe out there. We'll see you in the next video.